Hey there, craft buddies. So for today's craft afternoon, we are making a Parol, which is a traditional Filipino Christmas lantern. So if you want to make one, check it out. So these are the materials you'll need. You need 10 of these 15-inch long bamboo sticks, and then 5 shorter ones, 3 inches, glue stick, glue gun, scissor, of course some tissue, wrapping tissue, 2 round cardboard cutouts, and of course glue. So let's get started. Step 1, get your favorite Christmas playlist started, because we're about to do this. So let's go ahead and make some V's with these long sticks and join them with a rubber band on one end. So just like that, make 4 of them, and just just vibe with it, So first take 2 of those V's and then join them like so, and then connect them with rubber bands, and then take a single bamboo stick and finish off that star and connect them like so. Make sure it's all even, and then make 2 of them like that. Bam! So put them one on top of the other, and then using the rubber bands on the ends, just connect both stars to 5 points. By the time you get here, now you're gonna insert those 3-inch long ones in the middle, those 5 points inside the star. Be very careful, because sometimes they'll like snap out and just pop, like, just be careful. And then we're gonna secure them in place with our trusty glue gun. So anyway, how y'all been doing? Hope you're good. From our Chula Vista Library family to yours, hope everybody is staying safe and having a happy holidays and a Merry Christmas. Hope everybody's getting to spend some quality time with their family, and this is definitely a craft activity that you could do with the entire family. So go do it. So after you finish securing those 5 sticks with our glue gun, you have basically made the base skeleton of our parol. So you're like halfway there. Well, look at that. You are doing so great. You know what? Go treat yourself with some cookies. It's time for some cookie break. Go ahead, I'll wait.
1 eternity later.
Oh, you're back. Oh, okay. Well, that's fast. And you didn't bring back any cookies, so okay. Let's keep going. Let's not live in the past. Bruh. So now we're gonna cover our parol. So we're gonna cut some triangles to cover the sides. You can cut multiple ones at the same time if you want, because as the old saying goes, work harder, not smart. Wait, that's not it. After you finish cutting out your triangles, just snap your fingers and it's now covered. For the middle part, I would use like a different color or a different pattern. Just get creative with it. Use your own aesthetic. Oh, ayan na, don't tell me you didn't learn anything today. Okay, for this part, just cut your pentagon and just glue it. Don't take as long as I did. Okay, we're gonna speed it up. And now we are gonna make the tail. So just fold it in half, and then half again like a triangle, and then that final fold. Got it? Cool. And then just cut alternating triangles on both sides. Don't cut all the way. You're gonna cut it in half, just halfway each time. Now cut some strips of tissue paper. Choose a different color from the main color of the tail that you chose. So I chose white here. And then it's time to glue it all on the circle cardboard. The strips first. And then glue on top of that the main skirt of the tail. And then we're gonna glue on some of these pom-poms at the end of the points of the star. You don't have to do it, but I'm extra. What can I say? And then just attach the tails with a string, and that's it. That's your parol. I hope you had fun today, and I hope you make one at home, and yeah, display it for everybody to see during the holiday season. Thanks again for hanging out with your Kuya Ed. This is me signing out. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays, everybody. Paalam!